My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Locked. Locked is the ransomware belonging to the Medusa Locker ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Locked may be very easily injected into the system, and then it encrypts the files and appends this Locked9 extension to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea, so do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. By the way, this is the ransom note. So don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Combo Cleaner is available on the official page combocleaner.com. So use the green download button, install the software, and then start researching the system. This is the way the software looks like. As you can clearly see, the application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then you will see the summary of the threats which were found. Some threats can be removed manually, but I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license. Premium license also gives you a chance to request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware, it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which decrypts files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.